In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply custom fields in QuickBooks Online. Custom fields let you capture the exact bits of information your business needs on customers, vendors, and transactions, things like project codes, delivery notes, or sales regions. Setting them up takes just a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through each click. First, head to QuickBooks Online and sign in to the company you want to work in. If you manage more than one company, confirm you're in the correct company file before you start. It helps to have company admin permissions so you can access feature settings without interruptions. Give the page a moment to load fully. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and select the Settings gear icon. This is your command center for preferences and tools. From the menu that appears, choose Custom Fields. If you don't see it immediately, it's usually listed under the Lists or Tools section, depending on your subscription. Clicking Custom Fields opens the Management page. On the Custom Fields page, select Add Custom Field. This button starts the setup for a brand new field you can use on forms. If you already have fields, you'll see them listed here. Adding a new one won't affect existing fields, and you can reorder or edit them later if needed. Now, start adding your details, then save. Begin with a clear field name that everyone on your team will recognize, like job number or delivery date. Choose the field type that best fits your data, such as text, number, date, or a drop-down list when you want consistent selectable options. Decide where this field should appear, for example on sales forms, purchase forms, or customer and vendor profiles. You can keep it internal for staff-only use or make it visible on printed or emailed forms if customers need to see it. If you're using a drop-down, add the list of choices in a logical order and keep labels short. For text-based fields, think about any formatting conventions you want your team to follow. A quick tip: plan names and types carefully so you don't have to change them later, and avoid duplicates that might confuse reporting. When everything looks right, select Save to create the field. After saving, your custom field becomes available wherever you enabled it, and it can be filled out just like any other form detail. That's all there is to it. You've gone to QuickBooks, opened Settings, selected custom fields, added a new one, and saved your details. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.